Virgil. This is my last few hours in my apartment. My very first apartment. Oh my god, it's so empty. Y'all, look where I slept too. Like, most uncomfortable thing ever. Anyways, my dad is on his way to help me move the rest of my stuff and just clean a little bit more, and then literally that's it. I'll be moving back into my parents' house for the summer. I didn't even say it. Yes, I'm moving, or I moved after y'all seen this vlog, but I'm switching universities. I'm going to the University of Oklahoma in the fall, so yay, that's exciting. Been wanting to go there since I graduated high school, and I've applied there at least 3 times now. I'm surprised they still accepted me again for like the 3rd time, but whatever, we're finally going. And yeah, I got my Starbucks pink drink, venti. I only asked for like 3 ice cubes because the ice cubes always like fill it up and I don't get as much of the actual drink, so get light ice. And then I'll give you all like a little empty apartment tour once everything is out. It's like so messy still, but it's really like bare, obviously. So yeah, I'm sad to be not having my own space anymore, but I'm also happy because I kind of I go to my parents' house literally every day, so now I don't have to make like a 30-minute drive. So I'm happy about that. But sad I can't like come home to like my own space and stuff, but it's okay. We're gonna make some new routines at my parents' house, actually old routines that I had last summer, so that'll be fun. A lot of new content over there too, so kind of switch it up. But I'm gonna go get my dad from downstairs. Okay, all moved out. Only took like, well, we moved everything like yesterday, but only took literally like maybe 2 hours, not even. So I'll give you a little empty apartment tour. So here's my front door. It's like a smart home, I guess you could say. So it's like a smart home. So it's like a screen and you can like lock your door and everything through your phone and stuff like that. But anyways, here's the front door. Okay, so when you walk in, here is the little laundry room. Came with washers and dryers. So that was nice, and they're stackable. So I absolutely love that. And you have this little hallway right here, and then here is the kitchen. My favorite part about this, like obviously this is my style because my new apartment is literally like same countertops, gray cabinets, stuff like that. So here's the fridge, freezer. Countertops are granite. I absolutely love those, and I really like the cabinets because they are a light gray, and that's really matches my vibe. If you know me, I'm all like black and gray. But yeah, so has a lot of storage too, underneath as well, and up top, so much storage, honestly. And then you have like this little island right here. Hi punkies. And then more storage down here. Like it's literally so much. So little shelf, love that. Okay, you can hang out there. 3 drawers. He's really tired, guys. He's just looking for somewhere to lay down right now. Okay, anyways, and then walk through here. This is the living room, and I had my couch over here. I had this like big long mirror right here, and then I had like big tall, oh, you can't really see the light. I had like big tall curtains up there. Y'all can kind of see the holes. And I don't know, I really like, because I have high ceilings, so I really like the tall curtains and not just like curtains over my windows. So I really like that vibe right there. So anyways, and then my TV went right here. And then I had like coffee tables right here. And then this is the bedroom. It has carpet, so that was nice. 1 window, I had my dresser and another TV right here. My bed was obviously right here, and then here is the closet. It's a pretty good sized closet for 1 person. I mean, this is a 1 bedroom. I put all my shoes and stuff down here and bags, and then I hung my coats right there, and then I just had all my clothes I needed to hang in here. So that's the bedroom, and then we walk out here, back into the living room. kitchen, another view right there, and that's the front door, laundry room, and then you have this little hallway, and this is the pantry. Really good sized pantry too, and it's good for like storage. Like I put so much storage down here, and then I never even filled up like my whole pantry. Like I had just a lot of storage and stuff, so that was nice. And then this hallway leads to my bathroom. I absolutely love this bathroom too, because this shower was huge. Like it's just so big. My new apartment shower is not this big. It's like a little, my shower at home isn't even this big. So absolutely love that. And I love the tile because it's like a gray vibe too. And then you have like some cabinets right here for, I put my towels and like some medicine and stuff in there. And then here's the sink area. Love how it's the granite as well. And then it has 3 drawers. And then it has like, you know, underneath cabinets. And yeah, that's the bathroom. Come on. Okay, and then back to the front door, kitchen, living room. So it was pretty good size for like, you know, my first apartment and like a 1-bedroom, like me just living here by myself. I really liked it and stuff. So I lived in Epic Apartments in Denton, EPIC Denton Apartments. And they're kind of new, but they're very just like modern. And what I loved was it was like high ceilings. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I loved like apartments with high ceilings. I really don't like the low ceilings. I don't know, it makes it feel more like a homey vibe, I guess. I don't know, so really like that. And I love this like little hallway area. Like, I don't know, it just made it feel really homey and stuff. So yeah, I lived in Epic Apartments in Denton. Everybody always asks me like how much, you know, is your rent and stuff like that for a 1-bedroom. If you want to know, like you can just personally like reach out to me. I'll leave my Instagram, put it in the comments, whatever, and I'll get back to you. But yeah, it really wasn't that bad for a 1-bedroom in Denton. So it's a lot cheaper than like other areas, honestly. So, but I really loved it. Here, I'll show y'all like my view outside my window. Okay, so like here's my view outside my window in the living room, and there's like a pool over there. The gym is over there, kind of attached to the leasing office. The gym honestly was pretty small. It's closed right now, I would show y'all, but it's pretty small, like, and everybody, Virgil, and like when you worked out, like the like office can see you. So I thought that was a little weird. The pool is really nice. There's like a grilling area. There's so many like lounging chairs and stuff like that. So it's just a really like, everybody here was so friendly. I met so many people because of having like a dog and stuff. Like everybody has so many dogs, so it is pet friendly. But yeah, that's basically it. And Epic is between Buc-ee's in Denton and Cinemark. So like, you know where Buc-ee's is in Denton? Like we share a parking lot, so you can literally just walk over here and you'll be in the apartment complex. So there's a little idea of where I am. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm kind of sad to leave here. Yeah. Going back home, and I guess I'll finish this vlog out like in my bedroom. I might have to make like a whole new vlog of like me getting everything situated in my bedroom. I don't know yet because it's gonna take a minute because I do not want to do that right now, but I can't live in like a space like that, you know what I mean? So I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, me and Virgil are about to head over to Plano where my parents live. It's like 30 minutes away. This is my last time being here in Denton. I honestly did not like Denton. I'm not gonna lie. Anybody who's from Denton, y'all probably like know. I didn't like Denton, but I mean, I loved UNT. So nice. So I loved it there, honestly. And I loved my apartment complex. And I like everything around it. It's just you're so close to the highway. I don't like that area of Denton. I don't know. So there's that. But okay. We're going home now. We are in my parents' house and officially moved in. I think it's only like 2 days later or something. I don't even know, guys. The last time I vlogged on here, and how long I've been staying here already. Woo, I'm dark. Okay, well, first, sorry that I look like this. I've been tanning all day. It is like 3 p.m. right now, but I really just wanted to show y'all my room in my parents' house because I kind of got it set up. But yeah, so don't mind. I'm in my bathing suit and I just hopped out of the pool, came up here, and I'm like, you know what? Let me just finish the vlog. So, my room in my parents' house. I'll give y'all a little tour. this is my little room in my parents' house. Don't mind this H&M bag, it's just trash, but I haven't been able to take it down yet. But, so right when you walk in, this is it. My bed is so freaking tall because I'm so used to platform beds. Also, it makes my room look just a little bit smaller because it's so high. Platform beds kind of, you know, open up the space a little bit more, but my bed frame, it's not my normal bed frame. It's the one my mom got for this room when I was gone, and it's really like open in the back, so I had to put 2 mattresses down. I don't have a box spring. It's only for 2 months, so like I don't really mind, but it made my bed so tall and I'm not used to it. But like honestly, it's the comfiest. I love my mattress. I love my comforter and my sheets and stuff, so it's okay. But this is my bed. Got a blanket, comforter. I don't know where it's from. I'm gonna have to ask my mom, but I mean, I'm gonna keep my comforter and sheets for my new apartment too. Ooh. So I'll like ask my mom and link them and everything whenever I do an apartment tour for real. This is my dresser from my apartment. It had like literally all the clothes that I'm wearing right now for the summer. So I was like, I really need this upstairs in my room. I have no room in my closet. But yeah, this is my TV for my living room. So glad I have a huge TV in here. It's just so nice. And I was really hesitant on like leaving it on the side of my room. But like honestly, it's the best. So I love it. I think it's because it's such a big TV. But anyways, TV, dresser. This is Virgil's room. And these drawings up here are drawings from high school when I was in an art class. I absolutely love drawing eyes. All of these were an assignment, so like it's not like I just randomly did these, but I honestly love them. Like I'm low-key fire at drawing eyes, so there you go. But when you walk over here, here's this little side table that I have that my mom put. It's like a mirror, and I just have a candle. What are these called? Stick diffuser things? Oil diffuser? I don't know. My laptop down there, and these were curtains my mom also hung up. Ooh, hello. These are also curtains that my mom hung up when I was gone, so I usually have purple curtains. But yeah, and then here is my bathroom area. So this wall is really plain. It's just extra stuff I have, and then my trash. And yeah, and these were like old stringy lights that I had. I don't even have batteries in them right now, but you like clip photos on them and you turn it on and it like lights up. I had it when I used to live here. It was really cute. But anyways, here's my bathroom. So this is my closet. It used to have just one door and it was a big long closet, so I had to like walk in and go to the side, and it was so small, so we just like knocked out this whole wall and hung high curtains up. There's like 4 panels, but here I'll just show y'all. My closet is so full. I'm not even unpacking all my shoes, and I have like a bag of like, I think they're pullovers down there that I'm not even gonna unpack either, but I had to like hang up all my jackets. This is mainly my winter clothes. All my purses are up there, and then I have a couple shoes, mainly heels and stuff that I didn't really take to my apartment. But yeah, that's my closet right there. That's Virgil's water and food bowl, and then I have this dresser as well. It was good extra space for clothes and stuff, so I just have more clothes in there as well. And then I just have like pictures, my books that I love, poetry books. And then here's my jewelry. I absolutely hate what it's in. It's really messy right here, but I absolutely hate what it's in. I wish I can find something a little more simpler, but like I don't know how to hang my hoop earrings and like just stuff like that. So if y'all have anything that y'all hang your hoop earrings on, let me know. But yeah, there's that area. Took this little stool thing, I guess, from my apartment as well. Absolutely love it, and I like to have a stool in here to sit and do my makeup and stuff. Underneath, this is my makeup little bin thing. Has all my makeup in it, and my everyday makeup is in the bag still, but anyways. And then I have my hair products and a couple lotions and stuff in there. I don't really use the under sink of my cabinet, more just for storage and stuff. And then I have this drawer right here. I got these little like container things from Target. They're really cheap, and I just have like, you know, just to separate my stuff out and stuff, so it's not like all spread out in here. But yeah, that's my little drawer. And then up here I have my LED light. This is where I keep my contacts, floss, and my eyelash brush that I don't really have eyelashes anymore, but whatever. Toothbrushes. This is my face cleanser. Didn't fit in this, so yeah. And then I have another little oil diffuser, and yeah. I like having my bathroom really plain, so I just have like a lot of space, and I don't like stuff to look really messy, so I'm glad I have like a lot of storage and stuff. This cabinet right here, this is all my skincare. This is stuff that I usually use every day. Perfumes, and then just extra crap up there, but yeah. And that is my little room in my parents' house. Don't mind Virgil's toys over there. Honestly, I'm gonna end this video here. I really just want to show you. My eyes are so red right now. think it's my contacts are really bugging me because I've been swimming. Am I crying? Okay, but yeah, anyways, I really just wanted to make this video so I can update y'all that I moved out of my apartment and into my parents' house for the summer. Make sure y'all subscribe if y'all want to see more vlogs of me here. More routines are probably going to be uploaded from my like summer routines here in my house. I am going to make a workout video for sure because I'm getting back into my workout routine here in my neighborhood, old neighborhood, because I would always like work out here and I absolutely loved it. And then having to like go outside and swim, tan all day after I worked out, it just felt so good. So I'll definitely make one of those. But yeah, make sure y'all subscribe so y'all can look out for those new vlogs and videos that are coming soon. Yeah, that's all I got for y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed this little video of me moving and stuff like that. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go now because I just wanted to update y'all that I moved.